I am Ayah Khan. I have produced this short video today with an aim to synopsize the historical monument, the Mahabodhi Temple or the Mahabodhi Mahavira, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in our country at Bodh Gaya in Bihar. It popularly marks the location where the Buddha is said to have attained the enlightenment under the Bodh tree, which has been a substantive pilgrimage destination of Buddhists for over 2000 years. Bodh Gaya is 15 km from Gaya and about 96 km from Patna. Some of the features at the site date to the Ashoka period, whereas other structures at the site date to the 6th century BC, that's to say Common Era, and major restorations date to the 19th century. Archaeological finds from the site indicate that the place was a site of veneration for Buddhists since at least the Mauryan period. In particular, the Vajrasana, which is located within the temple itself, has been dated to the 3rd century BCE, that's to say before Common Era. Many of the oldest sculptures have been moved to the museum beside the temple, and some such as the carved stone railing wall around the main structure have been replaced by replicas. The main temple survival is especially inspirational as it was mostly made of brick covered with stucco, materials that are much less durable than stone. However, it is understood that very little of the original sculptural decoration has survived. The temple complex includes 2 large straight-sided Shikhara towers, the largest over 55 meters high. This is a stylistic feature that has continued in Jain and Hindu temples to the present day and influenced Buddhist architecture in other countries in forms like the pagoda. Let's go and have a rest with the hope of meeting in the next video. Have a nice day.